Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application IBeam Unique Numbering. As we all know that when we are working on precast detailing projects, we are supposed to give unique numbers to all the panels. But it is a time consuming process because we open the property of each panel and set the value in minus, or we use user defined attributes to assign unique numbers to the panels. Whereas with this application, you can select multiple panels and with a single click, it will automatically assign the numbers in sequence. We have two options here, prefix and user-defined attributes. Let me take the prefix option and change the switch to select assemblies and click assign. Now I'm going to select the multiple panels. Now you can see when I select, I don't select all the panels in the model. Select the multiple panels and press the middle mouse and then pick the reference point. It will start assigning the numbers in that direction. For example, let me pick this point here. Now you can see I'm going to change this number. Let me click assign and then select these panels. If I pick this point here, then it will take numbers from this first panel, whereas I just want to assign from this panel. So what I would do is I'll pick this point as a reference point. When I just double click and open the panel properties, you can see the number here, -3. Let me randomly select the panels. So if I perform numbering to this, let me click assign numbers. Now I'm going to create cast unit list. So you can see the numbers. So we can also assign the numbers in the random order. Let me just take this one. Click assign. Now I pick this as my first panel. For example, this as my second panel. And this is my third. And this is my fourth. And press the middle mouse. Instead of picking the reference point, when you right click and interrupt, it will assign the numbers in the order that you pick the panels. We also have a user-defined attribute. As I said, I don't prefer to use this one, but for those who are very specific about using the user-defined attributes, what you can do is change this option to user-defined attributes. It will assign the numbers to the user-defined attributes. If I go to user-defined attributes and number, you can see the prefix and start number. So let me click assign. I'm going to pick the panels one by one, or I can do the cross selection. Press the middle mouse and then I pick the point here. Now you can see the numbers. Let me select and click get. Now you can see if I have to use the user-defined attributes, then obviously I need to change the advanced option. When I press Ctrl E, it opens the advanced option. I'll go to the numbering. You can see these two are the attributes names. So what I will do is I'll copy this one, then go to the cast unit position number format. Let me copy this, apply and OK. Now when I perform numbering to these panels, it will actually read the number from UDA and assign the numbers to these panels. So let me just select this one, right click and redraw the view. Let me select these panels. Then I'll go to perform numbering, number series of selected objects. Let me assign numbers. Let me go to the display option and advance. I'm calling the cast unit position here to the selected objects, modify and OK. Now can you see this is 1 and this is PC2, PC3, 4, 5 and 6. So when you assign the prefix, I just wanted to share some information. You can see it assigns the numbers to the assembly level, but when I go to the part level, keeping the switch select objects and components, it is still reading the default information. You can just ignore this because when you perform numbering for the panel, it is going to read the numbers at assembly level. As you can see how easy it is to add unique numbers to the selected panels with this application. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.